Hello, hello. Yo, what's up, people? This is the Next Forex Pro, and bringing you another week of the Sniper series. And today is 9/19/2022. As you can see here, I got 9 days left, and unfortunately, I ended up taking a few trades last week, and now I'm up 394. So I definitely took quite a bit of a hit. I believe it was 3 trades. I'm now at around 50% win rate. This is why when at the beginning of the month I was like at 100% or something. Like I usually don't really care about that number. It's irrelevant. And as you can see, due to like the losses, definitely that brought me down. And so it feels like I'm starting again since July. And so this has really just been the journey. So for those of you watching, hopefully you guys are enjoying. This is part of being a trader. Uh, I think it's definitely once you start to getting to these type of phases, and all you can do is just continue to follow your system and continue to push forward. I think if I could just kind of reflect on the loss on the trades that I lost, I would have to say I read the bias wrong, and this was with pound dollar last week. I believe it was on Wednesday. And it was so close to my target. I think it's like another one of those situations where it could have been hit, and then it just went straight back down. And the thing is that I'm used to seeing those setups, and I was able to get back in the trade again. Let me see if I could find it. What day was that? That was last week here. I believe it was on the 14th. Let me see if I can find it. Give me a moment. Yeah. So that was, let me go ahead and bring it up. That was right here where I took the trade. This was on my MT4. I know I usually get on my NinjaTrader. Let me just show you guys. I was able to get on the first trade on NinjaTrader, and then I was so focused because we were still within the NinjaTrader time zones. Let me see if that. Wait, I think I'm not sure if I'm connected. Give me a second. Am I not connected? Ah, here we go. Okay, so this was where I took the trade. Right there. And so I was targeting the highs up here, this double top. And so when we had taken out a low from that was like a daily slash weekly area, I thought when this happened during news, especially during news, the market was going to push higher. And this is where I saw this part here. So we took out sell side, right? Sell stops, took out buy stops, and then we came back down. That met my rules here. Got in right there, and then I re-entered again here. This is the one where I didn't get the fill on NinjaTrader just because I was focused on this side here, and then I put my stop below this, and I was able to at least for this trade. For this trade here, I had my stop down all the way here, right there, and so I was so confident that this was gonna bounce from this level and continue seeing higher, pretty much higher prices. And in this situation, obviously I read it wrong, and as you can see, even doing the whole ICT stuff, if you don't read it right or for whatever reason, um, it could definitely bite you in the butt. So, but keep in mind, it's all within the risk management. I mean, obviously you have to definitely keep aware of risk all the time. For me, another thing I probably could have done was move my stop up here and just given it that for this trade here where I got in, because this was the second trade I got in here. Like I said, I didn't do the NinjaTrader one, but I did get in on the MT4 for the challenge, and so that's why that's the reason why the whole thing just this whole thing just collapsed. And it's like how ICT mentions he also has losses too. I mean, obviously, I'm pretty sure he reads the market way better than what I can do. At this point, my level of precision is definitely still a process of evolution, and I'm okay with that. I mean, I've been through these situations before, and it's just a matter of keeping it consistent. And I'm definitely not. I'm definitely not in a bad spot, So I'm pretty much breaking even, so to speak. If you guys have seen my previous videos that I've been doing on a weekly basis, this is your first time, and so definitely you can go ahead and watch them and just check them out. And I'm just gonna keep going. So anyway, so currently, once again, I'm at 0.39%. Profit target is 8%. Win rate 50%, and like I said, we still got 9 days left. This week I'm still gonna be trading. Like I said, next week I thought I would have been able to meet the challenge and be able to pass it. Actually, if this trade would have been a winner, I could have been up. I think I would have just needed like 2% more, and then I would have been able to pass the challenge. But that's not how it's turning out. It's all at the end of the day, it's all about risk and probabilities. And once again, right, there's obviously a level of degree to be able to read the market. And in this case, it just wasn't it. Like, it's crazy how, it was so close to just hitting target up here. I was so happy when this was coming up here. And, at the end of the day, I know I said I was happy about it. And I was eyeing it if it got down here again. I figured that would have definitely pushed up because there was these two double tops here, double top there. And there was this also nice fair value gap here too, right? That could have been rebalanced, and it's crazy how it just that didn't happen. But I'm not gonna be phased by this. I'm just gonna keep going. This is gonna be another second time now that reset the Forex challenge, and that's it. So I'm just gonna keep going. So this is the journey to getting funded, and thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good one.